So here we have the Nissan Juke on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space further by folding down either or both of the 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside as I mentioned. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we've got the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can then see the total miles for this car. They are 41,979. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that central section as well. Below that, it will show you what gear the car is in. It's an automatic, so we of course are in park at the moment. You can change information that's displayed up there using buttons on the steering wheel for various different menus, and the buttons in question are just here. We have our stereo controls. Over on the right hand side, cruise control, speed limiter and phone controls. We then have the minus and plus paddle so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do that. Over into the center next, we have the main screen, which as you can see includes satellite navigation. Really nice, easy system to use, all touchscreen. The menu button will take you back to the home screen where you can access your phone menu. So you can pair up your phone. Once you've paired up your phone, you can make and receive phone calls. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, which you can see just there. This car's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, auxiliary input, USB input, and AM, FM, and DAB radio. So loads of ways to listen to music in this car. On top of that, it's also got a full color reversing camera, which you can see just there to go along with the parking sensors. Working our way down, we have climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction that the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute. You can turn it off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air. You can manually override that. You'll see also has now gone off, and put it back on your own settings. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 2 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. We have a 12-volt charging socket, auxiliary, and USB inputs. The button to start and stop the engine in the car. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change the driving mode of the vehicle from here as well. So you can put it into eco or standard. And then we have an electronic handbrake with the auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.